See as Madam Angel, they sit down. She don't know what she's going to do. She not face lie down. She not face sleep. But she just sit down there. They look as they receive a call, knocking for the door. And so they come say, hey, now who be that? Who be that? I mean, now even the police, we don't find them out. Hey, now so they can't get up, come begin, they go close. Now so they can't see, say, now, Madam Flora. Hey, I see can't come close. Now so he can't go to Ram, can't go down. Say, see you. I don't do it. I don't do am. How I go take a come out of myself from this matter? He come and say, "Me no worry, everything go be all right." He said, "Look, just dry your tears, dry your tears. No evil will come upon you. Anything wanna do in self defense. Everything go be all right. Make you no worry." Now so he come and say, "Hey, she everything go do okay. Now I don't want make her lose the angel." Now so Mr. George, he can't tell her. Even Mr. Nancy, they ask and say, "Hey, how we go come find this one now? Make God take control of everything." And so they come begin, they look, say, hey, he know what he go do. He know what he go do. He must go tell him barrister, him lawyer friend. He go get his own, his own understanding about this matter because he don't know what he go do. He too they confused. Hi. So he come begin, they cry again, say, he no one go jail. He no one go jail for killing Kizito. He come tell us, say, no worry. No kill her. No kill her. Now about time. He get the punishment where he deserve. That is the point. He can't hold him again. Say, make no worry, I tell your side. Now we can see, say, Mr. George in the call on top of one. Who in the talk to? Hey, in the talk to Mr. Jeff. In can call and come and say, look, guy, your sister dey my side. Because I take no. Because look, but a big problem they ground though. Come and say, waiting. He say Kizito don't die. In they happy, say, yeah, maybe take celebrate. Say Kizito. We don't see the end of Kizito. He come and say, calm down, guy. Calm down, guy. Now your sister do one more. He come and say, really? He say, yes, so. And she dey on top risk to go to jail. And so he come close mouth. Say, in sister go jail. Hell, he come and say, where in day? He tell us say in there somewhere when they hide. He go send the bitch make not tell anybody. He say, no worry, I'm not go tell anybody. He come to them. Say, I go send them by message. And so he come tell us, okay, I beg, send them fast. I can't send them. He come begin to look, say, hey, make it go tell him, mama. Be make it not tell him, mama, hey, this kind of thing where they come tell us, say, make it not tell anybody. The problem, I say, come begin to go. Now so he and the Benita come meet. Benita come tell him, when are they here? He say, yes, so. He come begin to ask Benita, say, why una no come tell me, say this kind thing happen to Angel? Why una no come tell me? You can't keep on to yourself. He come tell us, look, I beg, all this drama self don't tire me. This hospital, they don't say drama. All this drama, when in fact, if it last them for 10 years, say now only Madam Angel go they do wahala for me. Angel self, now this one, Angel now, Angel this, Angel that, Angel. I don't tire. He come tell us, why you come begin to talk like this? I don't believe so. I go talking like this kind of rubbish apart from your mouth because of your friend. Why? He come tell us, say, look, I beg, we don't do everything we fit do for this Angel. She Angel self, they stand up for herself. We go, they stand up, they come. Every time we go, they come. But right now, Angel self will not stand up for herself. How now? The thing self, the tire person. If the tire person, in fact, he himself don't tire. And he come tell us, why they talking like this, Benita? Now your friend need to talk about it. Look, I don't care. Leave me. I don't tire. I don't be human being. He come tell us, look, limit day where person fit take for this kind of life. He come tell us, say, look, I beg, leave me. Make I just they go my own. He can't begin they go. He can't leave. He can't begin they go. Now so can they come one and say, say that Benita, where would they do this matter together? Now he call they talk like this. So much of a friendship. You could think say person be friend. Now he don't tire. You know go fit stay to the end. Because they wonder, come begin they go. Now we can't see Madam Flora. She come to her lawyer, come begin to tell him everything where they ground. Even though say na later one, but the guy say, okay, wetin come be the problem? Come tell him everything. The guy come tell him say, hey, the way things dey, una must go to the police. In fact, go back to the site of the event. Go back to the crime site, the place where the thing happened. And then after that, una call the police. When I call the police, he will come say, hey, but they go. That means say you won't make him just turn himself. He say, yeah, he go turn himself in. Because if they go arrest him someplace else, then he go take him like as if she commit crime. But if she go back to the place where the thing happened, come call them, say, hey, thing don't happen. No. Thing don't happen. No. This guy, na so. That everything go dey different. Say, he come tell her, say, look, hey, what thing go come do? They say, look, if he no do that, he no go fit protect her. He must to make sure say he go there because look I'm saying that she they look for revenge. So she must to protect herself. He go tell her say, okay, you understand. He can begin the beg and say, hey, Oga, anything one have fit do to make sure say Angel no stay for jail. Because if anything happen to her, he go blame himself. Say that he be the cause of all of this matter. The guy come tell her say, don't worry, I go make sure say everything dey alright. That he go even prepare the thing when they call a anticipatory bail. He could prepare anticipatory bail for them so that he no go stay behind bars. Make you no worry. God say, okay, anything you wanna fit do, I beg, do am for this girl because I don't want make she dey inside of jail. Guy can say, okay, no problem. Come begin they go to make sure say I go back to that place. Now so the come sit down, they wait yo. As they come sit down, they wait. Hey, now so Madam Angel don't know what go happen. Mr. Jeff, I be Mr. George, you don't know what go happen. Even say for Mr. Nelson too, they want to say, hey, all of us, we want our hand there inside this matter. Now so they can't hear knock, come they want to say, who be the person? They can't see say na Jeff. As Jeff enter, and so they can't grab his sister. Kai, the guy don't miss his sister. He don't miss his sister. Sister come tell her say, hey, see him, I don't want go jail. I don't want go jail. What you go do? He said, don't worry, I did your side. I don't come now. Jeff, don't come. No problem. Everything go do alright. We are not go jail and tell us, say, sorry for putting all the family into all this matter because of one wrong choice in marriage. See, you see the mistake what she make to choose this man. Now he cause all this problem when they come upon them. Can they tell them saying sorry? He's sorry because don't worry, no sorry, everything will be alright. Even self, Mr. Nessie contract said, don't worry, no put all this matter on yourself, no blame yourself too much, everything will be okay. George can't want to say, okay, what they gonna do now? He can say, look, he won't tell him mama, he won't call him mama, but he can say, no, may no call mama, or may no call mama, every call mama, how mama go take a handle this matter? He said, look, may we wait, make him Madam Flora come. After Flora come, he go tell us everything we go do. Contract and say, hey, please, anything we not fit to make sure say him mama they alright, oh. Because the mama self is sick and for him body no one make the mama go through any stress. She say, don't worry, mama do okay. Everything go do alright and I dey your side. As he come they look, he come begin they cry, say, I don't want go jail, yo. I don't want go jail. Even Mr. Jeff come tell say, don't worry, everything go do alright. Now we can't dey the side of Oma and the mama. Now Oma they tell mama say, why we they wait? Unnecessary waiting. This thing they torture me. Mama come say, make you no worry. Jeff, don't go outside. Go find his sister. And he get trust. Say Jeff go find. Say, look, this thing what they do. You know correct. Somebody must go outside. Go look for Madam Angel. Somebody must go look for Angel. This one where they waiting, not they okay. What if something bad happened to them? Because say, please, don't put any bad thing for inside of my mind. Maybe trust God. Maybe pray. Say everything go there. Alright. He say, look, Mama. We must to tell somebody about this. We must to get somebody else to go and look for Angel. Because I say, who now? I say, I go call Kelly. I say, come call Kelly. Kelly can't show. As Kelly can't show, come say, wow, not tell me all this while. All this while, not tell me say this thing happened to Angel. Why they do this thing? Because look, don't worry, I beg. No, me no get time to be talking like this. The main thing is say we must to find Angel. We must find Angel. We must not allow anything to happen to Angel. Because that's a mad man. If it go do something to Angel, he can say, don't worry. Don't worry. Hey, if mama come begin the beggar. Say, please, anything wanna do. Anything wanna do, Shan, don't get yourself into this problem. Just make sure say you wanna rescue his daughter. But making her not go put yourself for inside the problem in the beggar. I say, no, don't worry, mama. Everything will be okay. Now so you can begin the go. Hey, this now episode 49 of another worst mistake in marriage and the danger signs we be they ignore. Hey, we still did this matter. We still did this matter of Madam Angel. Hey, see as in they tell Mr. George, say, I beg, I know say una scared. Me too, self I scared. I beg, when people give this video a like, maybe come begin to look and well, oh. See as in come begin to tell George, say, look, maybe go tell the police, say that this thing don't happen. Maybe no run away. I no want run away. Hey. In fact, the man, Mr. Nelson, tell us, say, that is the truth, what we supposed to do. And I know, say, Mr. George, they very, very, very scared. He don't want to make Madam Angel go to jail. You understand? Say, una love her. Una want hold her. Una want keep am to yourself, but until way bad in a bad. We don't want make a police come begin to treat am, say, na criminal. See, as a master, Mr. Bolaji, in there, here, they think about in life. Everybody don't beat them up. The people where they come. Kidnapper, they beat her. Madam Mama, don't come give her in own share of the beating. No be only that, even Jeff himself, don't come give her blow. Teach am lesson. He come dey reason say, hey, even Mama Kizito sef don leave am go. Hi, at this time, he must to do something to him own life. Oh, that at this point, he not supposed to sit down here. He ain't supposed to go house, make it begin dey run, come out, make dem not come carry am again. Come begin dey give am extra punches. Na so he come carry him load. Come begin dey talk to himself, dey borrow himself sense. He come out, carry himself, come out. That is the best thing, no, because if una no come out, nobody go save you. That is the thing where Mama Kizito tell am. See, Madam Flora, she dey on top of phone. Ha! It is Mr. Waiting call Mr. George call am say, hey, Madam Angel don't do something bad. Him dey with me right now, and he don't kill Kizito. That's the thing. He can say, how that one be? How that one happen? I beg, telling me the thing what happen. He can tell us, look, no, calm down. She don't dey with me, and him wait the thing they go like this. He go carry am come out from the country. He go say, wait. I dey come. Just send me the message. Make sure say nothing happen to Madam Angelo. Make sure nothing happen to Ram. I dey come there right now. The girl come the wonder say, hey, this thing they go come use and tie am for him leg, yo. Because they go think say na him dey look for revenge. Na so he come drop phone, come begin to tell say, I dey come now. As he drop phone, come begin to think in life, say, hey, this kind thing where this developing story wey happen like this, they no do for Ramo, because they go come tell am say na she send them to go and kill her. That is the thing where they happen, no? He come begin to put his hand for head, say, hey, what he go come do right now, because he don't know what he go do. Now he come begin to go. Now Madam Flora don't arrive with the thing what I must to do. He come tell them say, the lawyer friend tell them say, make they go back to the place where the matter happen, call the police. He come say, hey, the police go arrest him. He say, yes, the police go arrest her. But that's not step one. Don't worry. Say, then don't go do wetin then they call anticipatory bail. So everything go do alright. She no go stay behind bars. That thing promise her. Everything could do okay. He come tell her say, now Jeff come begin say, she you sure say him sister no go jail. Say, don't worry. Everything could do alright. Everything could do alright. I promise you. Make it no worry. That's so even angel come begin they say, hey, I don't want to do this thing. Come say that make it no worry. That na Flora tell them. And they go make sure say to follow the thing where Flora talk. And so they come begin, they go out now. As they come begin, they go out too. Now so you don't ascend the look up, Mr. What's in call him? Mr. Let's say, say, okay, at this point, may they come begin they go. He can say, okay, he go tell the mama. He go tell the mama. May he no be like say, he go to hear from the mouth of the police or from another person mouth. Make it hear them from me. When they hear them from me, I go at least tell them the way he go take understand. He say, she sure say the mama go fit to take it. He say, no worry, I go tell them the right way. Now so, Madam Flora can say, leave this night. Make mama rest. All this thing wey don happen don too much for this night. Make you leave am, make you tell am tomorrow. He say make you just so that she go fit handle am. You know this mama, she fit take that one, go cause another thing for her body. And so even angel come begin to beg him brother, say, I beg, whatever una do, make sure say mama no sick. That is the main thing. Make she no begin the focus. You know her health is not there very, very strong. And so he come begin to look and say, look, anything wey una want make I do, I go do am. So he come tell her, okay, make it come begin to go. He come tell George, say, look, anything wey you want make I do, I go come. He said, don't worry, everybody dey here. We dey here for angel. Man, no bother yourself. And so they come hug themselves. He come begin to go. Hey, see as him be. All this matter they happen now on top of just one of this mistake one person make for instead of marriage. It's still to say angel they open eye well. You know go marry Kizito, but it don't happen now. It don't happen now. Make they come begin they go. And so they come see Madam Benita in to talk with him friend. Say he don't tire yourself. He don't tire. I see they talking. And so he come see Kade. As Kade come say okay. So everything they go. He say they go find angel. Where you want go find angel? I know where to find. Now so as they talk that one. Now so Mr. Jeff come run inside. He come run. Come begin the pants. He come begin the pants. They come see everything happen. He say he don't find her. He say thank God. Thank God. Say everything they okay. He say look when come there and I say he don't know. He don't know. Because what's in the worry you? And I say look big thing don't happen. Big matter don't happen. Angel don't kill Kizito. Hi. And the police go arrest Angel. I said, talk to that one. I said, they look, they wonder. Now, so the mama come hear them. Mama come begin to scream. As mama scream, now so she come fall down, but that for floor. Hey, see as everybody come begin to run. She come begin to run. Hey, see as Mr. Jeff come just open his mouth in jaka like that. Come begin to talking nonsense. The mama hear them. They come begin to wonder. Say, mama don't follow. Mama don't fall to the floor. Yeah. Make mama no go. Make mama no go. Make mama dey alive. I beg mama just drop prayer for this mama. Make everything dey okay. She don't receive too much for this particular night. Come follow her with falling down. Hey, God have mercy. So wetin go come happen for episode 50 now? You go see say angel go dey arrested. Now, two things fit happen. Dem fit get to the area where the crime dey done, and they go find out say Kizito never die, say im still dey breathe. That is the one. The number two, say maybe the guy dey safe na true, maybe the guy don go, maybe he don kpai. We go come see say the police go come begin dey carry am, dem no go even give am bail. That one go come worse pass. The thing go come get k-leg. Wetin we go come do now? Go see am for episode 50. Me, I don talk my own. If you think say the thing wey I talk e make sense, abeg give this video a like now, and join the family by subscribing. Thank you very much for watching, and I go see you for the next one. Bye.